On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Holy smokes, Batman. Gang, gang, gang. We're 3 minutes early. Holy smokes. Wouldn't this be a good place to rug everyone? I think so. What's going on, everybody? I see you over there. I see you over here, too. Bitcoin dumping. Bitcoin pumping. Everybody, $100,000. Will we see it today? What an amazing day, guys, gals, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is 8 a.m. You guys asked for it. You got it. You got 15 minutes more of me. I don't even think my wife doesn't even ask for 15 minutes more from me. She knows. I may be a what would that be? Is it too early for sex jokes? Too pump chump? Oh man, it's way too early for that. It's way too early for that. Thank you everybody for being here. What's going on? It's yeah, I see you guys in the chat. You guys laughing. You're like, shit, man. This is why we wake up for this shit. I love you guys. I love you guys. Otter gang, gang, gang in the chat, putting up with my shit as usual. But hey, man, you may have to put up with me, but we can still make money. Okay, we can still have a good laugh and make some money. Whoo-wee. Look at this. Look at this. 98,430. Whew. 98,430. We mark out that top, baby. Look at this thing. Holy smokes, Batman. Holy smokes, Batman. Coming down into here. Whew. Well, we get a bounce. This is rugging everybody. All the Asians longing. Oh, man. All the Asians longing. Coming back for them, man. Coming back for them. Are we supposed to get long? We'll see. We'll see. This doesn't look something like I want to press buy just yet. Okay. Let me pull up market cipher here. Let's go on the 3 minute as usual. Scalping time frame. Template. All that goodness. Okay. Coming in here. VWAP's got to be way below. That's my guess. Oof. Okay. Not bad. 382 area. Bouncing. Everybody's buying this thing. Everybody's buying this thing. They want. Okay, who's buying this thing at $98,000, man? Who's buying this thing at $98,000? Is that you, Jesse? I see you, Jesse. Good morning. What's going on, Massey? Good morning, my Otter gang. Let's go. Let's make history. 100K on the live stream. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. Everybody wants to buy this now. Everybody's hungry. Everybody wants to buy this. What's going on? ETH increased 2% in the last 30 minutes. Yeah. Woo-wee. Let's go Ethereum. I still got like 20 ETH I want to sell before Christmas. So we'll see how that goes. My God. BT. Oh, we popping back up here. Pretty aggressive pop back. My God. Maybe we should have bought that dip. Volume coming in here. Oof. Coming into this low here. Mitigating this low. You know what? I can't be in the FOMO club today, my friends. I cannot join you in the FOMO club, okay? You got volume in here. This is the problem with price discovery, baby. It's questionable. Anyways, what's going on, Jesse? Good to see you, man. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, mad love to you. Super ofertas. Man, God bless you, man. God bless you too, bro. Thank you so much for the kind words. I appreciate you, man. Jay Becker, what's going on? And my hero, what's up? Good to see you guys, man. Good to see you guys all here. Lunar Beaches, crypto in the chat. My man, my brother. How's it going, man? Happy Thursday. Is it a thirsty Thursday? That is the question. If we hit 100K, I guess we're going to have to do a giveaway. If we hit 100K, I'll do two $50 giveaways, okay? If we do, okay? Hold me to that and remind me by 10 a.m. if we have hit $100,000, we will do two $50 USDT giveaways. How about that? Just to be kind, just to be nice. You know, why not? You guys support me all the time. I would love to be able to help you. Morning, cuz good ain't looking my P&L. Well, Bath, sir, we gave you a long setup last night in the Discord. I took the Solana trade. Solana long. I got out early because I didn't have the time to sleep. It came right back down. Okay, it came right back down, and then it pumped all the way back up here. So it played, but I don't trade at night. Remember I said, I don't know about all these late day trades. Please be careful. But hopefully we've helped find you some more. And if not, we just continue to teach you how to fish, my man. Thank you so much for being part of the Otter gang. Mad love to you, brother. Mad love to you. And we do have a 25% discount on our Discord. It's the only time. It runs till December 1st. So hang out with us until November 30th and make your decision then. We'd love to have you. And if not, you know what? I'm sure you'll find someone out there who cares about you too. Look at this bounce, man. BTC still not broken through 98K. Yeah, it's gotten through 98.5. So we'll see. We'll see how it behaves in this area. Remember, I used a Fibonacci extension level to give you guys this level yesterday. If you go back and you look in the Discord, I used my extension tools. Okay, we can go and look at it. And look at the TA. And look at this. We hadn't been there yet. Here's those ones. And then here, where's our big box? 97,715. 97,715. Oh, look at that. Who would have thought? First, we hit it perfectly, I might say. And then we have flipped it to support, and we'll see if we can hold it. But look at that. Forecasting, man. I love being pretty... I would say that's pretty spot on for a fib extension pull. What do you guys think? How's that extension pull, baby? Let's go. Pretty sweet. I love when it happens. What's going on, Jesse? Petrus, Alex, will you also do analysis on Ethereum? Absolutely. Yeah, I could take a look at Ethereum. Up. I sold my Ethereum right here. I still have more to sell, okay? I'm rotating my profits. I will probably sell if we get back up to this area in here. We will see. We will see. But looking at this Ethereum TA up. I don't know what else to tell you, man. I don't know what else to tell you. Up. Looking great. Looking great. Okay? Thank you everybody for being here. Yeah, man, jump on the bandwagon if you want to. That's totally up to you, but you're always trying to set the trap. You're not trying to chase price, right? So be very careful. Good morning, crypto chef. Good to see you. Mad love to you. I think I saw Marine in here. Where's Marine? I want to skip. I'm going to skip here. Good morning, Marine. Good to see you. Okay, there we go. Jay Becker in my hero. Good morning to you guys. Crypto chef. G Corp. Yo, good morning, legends. Good morning to you, my friend. Hope you're doing well. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. 98,396 about an hour ago. Let's go. Are we going to hit 100K today? CF acts bored and grumpy all the time. Is that what we have to look forward to? Sure. I mean, CF's a really great person, and like it's funny like talking to him and then seeing him on stream. Totally maybe not different, but it's pretty interesting. Tony Soprano, what's going on? Lots of liquidity below us now. Be careful. Absolutely. Right? What kind of rug do they want to pull out? Do they want a Persian rug? Do they want an Aladdin rug? Do they want one of those cheap, smelly rugs that are like really plasticky that they use in office buildings? We'll see what kind of rug they're going to pull out on us. But they're definitely trapping longs up here, baby. We know that. People be selling. Okay? Are we going to hit 100K? We'll see. We will see. Forget about it. Good morning to you, Wick 589. Good morning, IKO. Let's go. Maureen, good morning. Melissa, we love you. Melissa, the true Otter Gang original member. We love you, Melissa. Mad love. Melissa's been day one, man. Tony Soprano, day one. Man, love you guys. I love you guys. Darren does things day one, man. Love you guys. Good morning, Jesse, Crypto Chef, Marine. Chris Klein, what's going on, man? How you doing, brother? Good to see you. How's Floki? Mad love to you. Al Jr., our Hancock, Otter gang. IKO with the Otters. What's going on? Live chat. Thank you so much, Mark Dutch. Always reminding me, keeping me on task here. I heard there's some spammers coming through. They're spamming seamen. So why don't we just all type seamen, okay? Why don't we just join? I've been warned that there's invasions of seamen coin going around. So why don't we all just type in seamen just to have some fun? I mean, why not? I'm really looking forward to it. This invasion of seamen. I heard there's a token that just bombs chat. So I'm really looking forward to this. This is going to be funny. I've been warned by my mods, so let's see. Open a short hedge just in case we get rugged. I love that, Lunar Beaches. Good thinking, man. Good thinking. Maureen, good morning. Bina, good morning. Another channel, another laugh. That's it. My hero, what did she do with the extra 13.5 minutes? Oh, man. You're in Otter. That is me. You guys got all the jokes, man. Two pump chump in an Otter. Yeah. I mean, my wife's so hot, I barely get my pants off. What can I say? Oh, it's a hard life. Aaron, what's going on? Good morning. Good morning. Nonstop. Good morning. I'm long. Thank you for the kind words of encouragement. Awesome, Nonstop. Good job. We'll see how it goes. Alex, what do you think of Ethereum right now? It's looking good, man. It's looking good. I mean, a big old Paparelli, right? I sold about 20 Ethereum right here just for tax purposes. Okay, nothing to do, right? And when you sell here and it goes down here, you feel like a genius. And now when it does this, you feel like an idiot. So there's an old saying, no matter what, you'll feel regret in this altcoin run. No matter what you do, you're going to feel regret. Oh, I could have sold here. Oh, I could have done this. So get used to it. Man, Mad love to all of you. John Woods, good morning to you. Otter gang, gang, gang. Rocks that old school XRP hate too. Yeah, of course. Don't fade the Chinese pay. Football dream. Good morning, Aaron. In my hero, Marco Polo. Marco Polo. Morning, Otter gang, gang, gang. Mad love to you guys. Mark Dutchin here. Let's get it. Dom, Bascrutom. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Football dream. Bitcoin dominance dropping. That means the rotation of capital is occurring. Here's a rotation. Rotation is occurring. We'll get rid of this. And we can look at some dominance. Where is my dominance chart? What the heck is going on here? USDT. Where is my... there's my main. Okay. Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, man. We're going to go to the moon. Oof. People are trying to long this. Not a longing opportunity. We're looking here, guys. We're looking here. Guys and gals, we're looking here. We'll see if we get it. Okay? We're looking here. Here, big grandma letters for you guys. You always got to put on the grandma letters, right? The grandma buttons, you know, the phones that are really big with the numbers. That's what this is. The grandma buttons, we call them. Okay, Spyros, good morning. Dave Digital, Alex O'Crypto. What's going on, man? What's going on, my brother? Mad love to Dave Digital, man. Go follow Dave Digital on Twitter or on X. This guy's always motivating me, man. I love you, bro. Like 29 is Dave Digital. Let's get those likes up to the viewers. Mad love to all of you guys. You pull a fib like a pro. Thank you, Mr. Chef Boy RD. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Buck, good morning to you, my man. BC Portcorp, good morrow. Good morrow. Good morrow. Crypto Michael, good morning. Bam, Spicy Pricey. Spicy Pricey. That's a new one. I like that. Shepard, good morning to you. How you doing, man? Everybody commenting semen. We're a bunch of dirty sailors in here. R.S. Miller, good morning to you. Straight high, good morning. How's it going? Marked up. Petra Seaman. It's Menson. I'm doing great, sir. Floki is doing amazing as well. Great, man. Got to take care of that pussy. He has a kitten, guys. Don't be rude. Okay, he has a kitten. Okay, semen, ramen. You guys are hilarious, man. Amen. Amen. Yeah, that's the one, Luke. Good morning to you. Wayne C., did your wife make you a sandwich this morning? Inside joke, okay? Not derogatory. Aaron, what's going on, John? Man, you guys get me laughing good this morning, man. Invasion of semen. Man, when they come in, they're not going to know what hit them. Everybody's going to be like, we've been waiting. Skirting my kidneys today. AUB, Alex, you're the man. Make me some money. Yeah, we try our best, man. We try our best. We've been doing pretty good lately. So thank you for being here. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. Maureen, semen attack. Nope, didn't put that one on the bingo card. Let's go. I'm the Otter one. Petrus, mad love to you, man. Mad love to you. Oh, you guys, EPUB 5% in the last 58 minutes. Let's go Ethereum. Let's go Ethereum. Mark, Maureen, Wick, Massey, Jesse, R.S. Miller, Quantum Reality. Good morning to you. Oh, man. Coochie is in the chat. Mr. The Red Nugent Crypto News. Blood, gang. Mad love to you, the Red Nugent. Mad love, bro. Sticky morning. Speak for yourself. I am no sailor. Let's go, Buck. Are you a Marine or are you an air cadet? I don't know what you are. Here comes the coochie coin. Please plaster those gaps. Blood in the house. Let's go, man. Let's go, family. Blood is family, man. Go check out Crypto Blood. It's you'll learn a lot. One of the OGs in the space. Department of Navy, just men's department. Solana, please. Jezreel, welcome, man, welcome. So we will look at alts, but not really. Like we're here to trade this morning. We make our money off of trading. We are constantly trading these markets, looking to take advantage of all price action on Bitcoin. If that's for you, that's for you. But yeah, Ethereum ripping. Congratulations. You go on a 3-minute, maybe you get in on this thing. But right now, this thing is flying, okay? Look at the rotation, baby. Look at this. Optimism up 16%. Arbitrum Oh man, I bought Arbitrum. I put like 20K. I rotated my ETH into Arbitrum. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Woohoo, what a buy. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby. Don't think I just sold my ETH and then just let my cash sit and rot. Okay, that's not something that you should be doing. You should always try to allocate your cash to as many assets as possible. In this case, I rotated it into some altcoins. Looking at Bitcoin, up only, right? Up, up, and away. Let's go on the daily. Let's take a look at Market Cipher. Let's break it down now. Oh my God. Are we getting a green dot on the daily? Let's go. All right. So curvature to the upside. Remember, we were talking about this Thursday. I said Thursday. VWAP crossover. Remember, we were anticipating that. If you go back to the Tuesday video, you will see that I said Thursday. This thing looks like it's going to come up on Thursday. Well, what has happened? It has Thursdayed us, okay? China has pumped the market up on us, but this is what the anticipation of forecasting with Market Cipher can do. It can give you a kind of a heads up, okay? A kind of a heads up. You're not going to trade it perfectly, but this can warn you, hey, man, we're oversold. We could be coming up on the VWAP, okay? Very, very nice little play here on the daily, continuing to push up. Going over the 12-hour, what do we see? We see simple curvature to the upside. Not extremely, like, overbought yet. Okay, so we still got some room up here, but this is eventually going to make some sort of divergence or double top or whatever, right? And you can see that the 12-hour is cooling off a little bit right now, but look at this money flow, baby. Let's go. Let's go. So this is very, very strong. Nonetheless, you look at price action, you zoom out, you can simply see that, holy smokes, man, we are a bit overextended here in the world of crypto, right? We can see that very, very clearly. Very clearly, okay? Very clearly. This is interesting, right? Right? Holy smokes, Macintosh, right? So we are correcting a little bit right now. Look at that 12-hour beastly, girthy, super purple candle, Barney candle to the moon, okay? Pretty wild. Pretty well. Now, whenever there's a breakout, we always look for a typical retest. Okay, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but that's something I would be looking for, right? Something like this where we come and we continue. Then we hit 100K, baking everybody out at 98 and, you know, all that fun. So maybe a little rug, we'll see. That would be, that wouldn't be a little rug, my friends. That would be a 4% correction. So looking good. The breakout, you know, they did not make it easy. If you're not long and you're feeling the FOMO, they did not make it easy for anyone to get long here, okay? Anyone. You could have got long. You would have been in a lot of choppiness. Sitting in this is not fun, okay? Okay, so if you got long here, you held this up, make sure you pay yourselves, but very, very nice trade, okay? Now, so we have the retest option. That is very much on the table. Let's pull up our areas. Yep. Okay. And all right. So we're good there. Now looking at our 8-hour, what do we see? Simply, there's so much liquidity below us. Look how many boxes we have, right? So it just looks like a bloody highlight reel of areas of liquidity. We throw this on. You can see that. Just look at the order block in here. Right, massive. As I flip through all this, there's just pure liquidity throughout all of this from all this right here, right? Typically, this is all going to want to be taken at some point or the other. We could see correction here, right? Correction here, and altcoins go kapoo, okay? Kapoo. That's a real word, okay? So looking for that, we'll be prepared. We'll look for this. I would like this little area in here. That would be ideal, okay? We'll see if we get it today. We'll see if we get it. It's questionable. We want to get that $100,000. Let's just mark it on our chart so we're well aware, and we'll make it a special color for you guys or something. Okay. I guess we should have set this alarm at 100K. Oh, am I going to have to struggle here? I am. I'm going to struggle here. Can I double click it? Coordinates. Yeah, let's go. You see, we used our brain there, guys, and we'll make it neon green. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Who would have thought? Using our brains so early in the morning. Okay, 8-hour money flow ramping up, looking good, up and away. Okay, everything here is bullish. Looking at our 4-hour, this is where we get a little bit more serious about what we're looking for. So overextension, very, very clear overextension. Let's throw on our levels and look at some of these. So we're looking for a bunch of things right now. So we have up only, we have momentum to the upside. We can return down to this trend line within here. We have our 382 bounce level that we are currently coming back down into, which does have VWAP in it. So that's something I'm also interested in. However, coming back, yeah. With anything like this, I'm typically looking for a retrace like this, anywhere into here. Okay, but we'll have to wait and see what the price action gives us. And we'll obviously look to take advantage of it as it comes, okay? This is overextended. If we're really trying to pick this apart, we can see that we are getting lower here on money flow, okay? So there could be a little bit of a retracement. And a lot of people are going to take profits up here. A lot of people are going to take profits up here. Let's not forget about that, okay? Don't forget about it, okay? People are going to be taking profits up here because they're front running 100,000, right? Make sense? Yeah, okay? Right? Yeah? Okay. So the front running that psychological level, you're getting a red dot here on our 3 hour. Money is still ramping up coming in. So for this, I'm looking for a little bit of a reset. Reset being a little bit of a cool off and then a continuation. So you would get the VWAP and the crossover of the VWAP. That's where you're looking to take the trade. That would probably be later this afternoon. But hey ho, it is market open and it could get a little bit wild this morning. So hopefully we do hit that $100,000 level, because you can see when we get into the shorter term time frames, this is a lot closer than it appears, with VWAP crossing over and trying to continue. Okay, the money is everything here. The money is building the pyramids. If this is the pyramid, look at this elephant carrying the big stone. I know we're gonna get a lot of conspiracy theories out there. The Anunnaki guys built this shit, bro. It wasn't no guys pulling stones up a ramp. Okay, I know. I'm totally in the Anunnaki club too. Okay, whatever they're called. The guys who pass the pine cone. I like those guys. If you know, you know. Put a 1 in the chat if you know. Right? You guys love the pine cone guy with the bag. They're holding the bag, pine cone. I don't know. Love that shit. Love that shit. Put a 1 in the chat if you love that shit. But the one is cooling off, right? We have the Wu-Tang Clan pattern, okay? This is very Tony Soprano, right? So we got the Wu-Tang Clan, ain't nothing to, right? So we got the Wu here, right? The Wu's here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so look at the VWAP resetting, looking for the retest back in VWAP crossover. We'll keep our eyes peeled on this and making sure that we are prepared. You guys, I better see a lot of 1s in the chat. Let's go. Pineal gland, 1s in the chat. I love it. You think those, guys, you get everybody in this chat. We got 150 people in here and only 50 likes. You get all of us. And we're trying to pull a friggin' rock the size of a house up a ramp. Bro, that's not happening. I don't care how many times you whip me. It's not happening, man. It's not happening. I've seen the theory on where they float the stones. I've seen all them theories, okay? The only theory that makes sense is that it doesn't make sense. You can't cut stones that nice, okay? You can't align rocks that well, okay? I can barely build a house, okay? And I did it for 13, 14 years, right? So there's no way these guys with chisels built that thing, man. Anyways. Oh my God, Total 3 is doing it. Let's go. Let's take a look at Total 3, man. Is there a rotation? Look at this big old dumperelli. Total 3 on the midst of breaking, baby. Let's go. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you guys for being here. Total 3 on the way to splooge to the upside. Is that appropriate? Splooge to the upside. Ooh, Ethereum up 9%. My God. And Bitcoin's dying. Could it be doing it? Look at Arbitrum. It is ripping to the upside. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. What a time to be in the crypto world. Mad love to every single one of you. People seem to be rotating profits, baby. Now, for this Bitcoin dominance, we really want to see it break structure, okay? We had this experience, okay? We having this experience, okay? We've had it, okay? We want to see breaking of structure, right? We don't see breaking of structure really anywhere here, okay? Significant lows all the way up. Okay. There's no real I am going this way now. Okay. We want to see I am going this way now. I am legend. I am whatever. But we want to see that. Okay. So nothing. Rotation. Yes. Beautiful. A little bit of a pump on. Amazing pump on Bitcoin. Amazing pump on altcoins. Okay. Remember, stay level headed. Don't be the FOMOing in kind. Okay. Whew. Everything ripping. Everything ripping. Okay, let's be level-headed, man. Please, please, please. Okay? You guys are all excited with your Anunnaki shit, man. I love you guys. I love you guys. Good morning to everybody who showed up late. Make sure you do say good morning. All you lurkers in the background. Mad love to every single one of you. Blood in the house. Let's go. Let's go, man. Walsh Jesse, good morning. Jim Hill, Pepe up 13%. Let's go. That's incredible. What's going on, Marcal? Mad love to you. Otter, gang. Allison Jordy. I played the 95K breakout and boom, it was amazing. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations, Allison. Wix, wife, fine, 89. Crypto Zen, good morning. BTC top. Okay. Is it going to top out at 98? We'll have to see. If we do hit 100,000 today, we will give away at least $100. USDT, we'll split it in half so two people get $50 because that's the nice thing to do, right? Liquidity here. We go again. Boinked. Did China just legalize crypto? Pretty much. They declared it as property, which is pretty wild. So we'll have to see. The world is changing right in front of our eyes. What a time to be alive. Mark Dutch, wifey, what's going on? What's going on? Blair Stevenson, good morning to you. That's what she said. Luke Zaldana, French toaster. I smell rich people. Uh-oh, here we come. Here's our bounce, 745, 96, 745, 96. 745. I don't know if we're going to get there, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll look to possibly get into a position here if it wants to give it to us. If it wants to give it to us, okay? We'll see. We'll see. I'm waiting. Trading is waiting. I'm looking down here, though. I want to see a reaction, a nice little reaction. Okay, not just jumping in all willy nilly like it owes me something. Okay, like it owes me something. Fear and Greed 87. Wow, that's pretty wild. All of you guys total 3 breaking. Let's go. Look at all these pyramid builders in here. Aaron J. Becker Buck. Aaron. Anakin likes Solana. Let's go. I mean, if I was Darth Vader, I would like Solana too because it goes down all the time. I went there. Solana looks strong. Did China just legalize crypto? Yes, sir. Pineal gland 1. Doggy dog. Let's go. Good morning. I went to the Vatican to see the pine cone. Nice, Alex Anunnaki. Love you even more. Let's go. I've been to the Vatican. Yeah, you know where God touches man. I've been there and all that good stuff. It's a vibe, man. You want to see money? You want to see money? You go to the Vatican, man. These guys, they're columns of marble the size of like the CN Tower. Anyways, pretty wild. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning, Otter gang. Mad love to you, man. Airdropper, lurking. Mad love. Airdropper, you're going to have to say more than lurk now, man. You've been lurking a lot, man. All of my lurkers in the chat, make sure you say good morning. We're coming down here. How do brick walls not fall down? Magical. In my hero. Good to see you guys. John Woods, Splooge. Are the Seaman people coming in? Last night, JRE was interesting, too. We'll have to take a look then, man. Cable Guy, good morning to you. Tony Soprano, my man. Marky Mark, why the overnight pumpo? China's just pumping it, man. It's property now in China. Pretty wild. BC Port Corp, Wix Wife, Fine 89. Good to see you, Xena, LBC, Wix Wife. Good morning. Look at all these absolute incredible people, man. Guys, stop picking on Mark. He's trying to do his best, man. He's trying to do his best. Just hit him with some wooden shoes, man. Can I be a verified lurker, Alex? Absolutely, Luke. Absolutely. Okay, so Bitcoin coming down, rotating into all the goodies here. Woo, look at Ethereum, baby. To the moon, to the window, to the wall, to the from my balls. Skeet, motherfucker. We went there. Yeah, we went there. 24 overextension here. Looking to come up here. Possible long entry. Possible long entry. This is looking nice here with the VWAP. Money is coming out, so careful here, but this is looking like it might want to come back and, you know, retest some things in here. We do have a golden pocket within this area as well. So 24, we got bearish divergence here. Being careful, right? Bearish divergence typically comes back to at least where it started, right? So this could come lower. Let's be very cautious here. Now, if we go from swing low to swing high, what else do we see? We see a golden pocket down here, so we could be looking at two places, right? We got here and then, oops, Control Z, copy paste. We could be looking here and here, right? And we want to get to $100,000, baby. We want that 100K like it owes us something, okay? So we got a couple of areas in here that we are interested in. Let's see if it does come back to life, back to reality. But you know me, I'm definitely keeping my eyes on some of these levels here. This one looks extra special to me. This one here, we're going to get... This one didn't have any resistance, okay? We came up, we flipped it, and then we continued out. This is an extension level, and this is an extension level, okay? There's nothing, like, super valid about them. They're just extension levels. They're not volume levels, okay? So patience here. We're losing point of control of the range up here. This is very small volume. Let's not get it twisted. So we could come back and continue, right? That's what we want to see. We're just waiting here. Okay, so we got our two areas that we're interested in. We'll see if we do get those reactions today. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We started at 8 a.m. You guys asked for it. We did it, okay? You asked for it. We did it. We're here. Have no fear. We gave the Solana trade last night, and some of you all made money. Some of y'all didn't take it, and that's fine, okay? But we did give that Solana trade last night, and it has banged, okay? It has banged, and it was given right over here, actually. Right over here, okay? Now, I took profits and got out early right here, whoop, because I don't like to trade after dark, okay? It came back, and then it did its thing, okay? But this was given in our Discord last night, and it seems to have hit a home run, okay? So, beautiful, beautiful trade. I also gave a Sui trade set up last night. How did that play? Whew. All right. All right, that's up. That's doing all right, too. Look at that. Okay. So if you do want to come over and hang out in our Discord, I mean, it's the last chance until prices go up December 1st, because it's, to be honest, it's just getting, there's too many people in there because there's too much alpha and it's cheap. But we got a 25% discount. My God. Trade signals by Alex, Kyle, Brewberry, Thesis. Exclusive support channels. 3 group coaching calls from me a week and 5 lives from Brewberry. I mean, look at the schedule you get, man, and you get all this stuff. Make sure you guys watch the video, okay? Don't come in and say, man, I paid for this and you owe me. Your soul is mine, okay? Come on, man. We're here to help. We're here to guide. We're here to help you on your trading journey. No bullshit. Just straight up kindness. Don't be a douchebag. All that good stuff, okay? Look at Bitcoin bouncing here, getting everybody in the FOMO feels. FOMO feels. I can feel it. I can feel it through the screen. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. If you wouldn't mind just giving that like button a little pinch for me, or whatever you like to do to it, okay? I would really appreciate that. We got a little double bottom coming in here. A little rollover coming into this area here. Not for me just yet. Okay, we could be pulling, we could be like really picking this apart, pulling a fib here. 786 golden pocket area, bouncing off of that. Not for me. Not right now. No, thank you. Okay, what I would like to see is this momentum broken, which we are starting to do, and coming back and swinging down into here somewhere, okay? That's what I would like to see. Doesn't mean that's what I'm going to get, okay? It is 8:30. Holy how am I going to talk for another hour and a half? I'm going to have to learn how to play music or something. I'm going to learn how to play music or something. Was that the long? Bitcoin flying off the handle here, baby. Flying off the handle. Retrace. Come back in. Come back into Papa. We're aiming for the 100,000. I want VWAP 744. But that might be a little bit low. That might be a little bit low, because then you're sweeping these lows in here. We'll have to see. We need some more dad jokes in this thing. Oh, yeah, in our Discord. You can just type /dad joke. We'll have to do it right now. /dad joke. This is the only reason why I use this bot, because it has dad jokes. I was so proud when I finished the puzzle in 6 months. When on the side it said 3 to 4 years. Oh fuck! 3 to 4 years that it took him 6 months. Oh shit, man! I feel sorry for that dad. That kid's gonna grow up to be a loser. Oh my God! Look who it is! It's Alexandra G's in the chat. Oh my God! What an absolute gem! The lady of crypto. We love you, Alex. You have a wonderful name, by the way. A wonderful name. If you do want to trade side by side with us, we do have a 10% cashback BloFin partnership here in the chat. If you do want to come and hang out with us, you can support the channel too by joining the BloFin link there. We do use BloFin and BingX, nothing else, because they're all scammy. That's totally up to you. We've been offered, every exchange bombards me and bombards every content creator with over 100 subscribers. Okay, they come in, they're like, man, use my exchange, no, come on, man. And a lot of people fall to that, oh man, just sign everybody up to that exchange, make a little bit of money off of their trading, yada yada yada. And you gotta use exchanges that have good reserves. Reserves are everything. I learned the hard way from FTX. Okay, that's why I always try to say use BloFin, use BingX, because their reserves are good. Okay, the reserves are good. So why wouldn't you want to use something that has good reserves? Okay. Tamale, what's going on? I'm tired of these extra special zones. P.S. I missed the first 30 minutes. Now it's at 8. I mean, they requested 8 a.m., so I'm here for an extra 15 minutes, not 8:15 anymore. Y'all just dirty, yeah? Fiat Lover, Bonky on base. Uh-oh, we got a Bonky fan. I don't know. Ski, goddamn, let's go. What does that really mean? From China. You see all the clogs in the chat. Airdropper, Lurk. Good morning. There it is. We got a good morning out of Mr. Lurk. Thank you for being here. Airdropper, good morning to you, my man. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Oh, man, everybody just boom. Boom, 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 boom. 369, damn fine. That just reminds me of Need for Speed Underground 2. Do you guys remember Need for Speed Underground? Put a 1 in the chat. To the window, to the wall. Let's go. I want your soul. Push it with your nose. Let's go. Welcome, Lorelai. Love the name. Favorite Comeback Kid song. Let's go. Get that. Gave that like button a stroke for you. ARB definitely woke up this morning with a breaky. He's got morning wood, baby. Let's go. We lick like buttons. Okay, window licking and licking like buttons. Let's go. What do you call two monkeys that share an Amazon account? Primates. Let's go. I like it, man. That's good. I like it. Look at all these absolute legends in the chat. Wick 589, Jones, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, always early, always ready to go. Let's go, man. Cool babe, did your money is still stuck in FTX? I was only trading $1,000 account, so I was a victim to that, and that was it. So thank God I was learning how to trade when all this happened. But for me, it's like a very clear wake up call. $1,000 is still $1,000. Okay, let's not get it twisted. So you see these bad actors. They're doing the Shakespeare at night, and they can't act worth a damn. That's we don't want to be caught up with bad exchanges, right? I mean, every exchange, they're out there to make money. Are they solvent? This is why you definitely have to look for a cold wallet solution. I use Ledger and Trezor. Okay, I mean, I'm not here to show you those links. Everybody else wants you to use their Ledger link and all that shit. Just get a cold storage, man, or at least put it on a hot wallet like an Exodus or a base wallet. But please use cold storage, and don't give your wife the codes. Don't give anyone the codes, and be careful, okay? Am I in a trade, bro? No, not yet, man. No, not yet. I mean, we did give some trades last night, but you guys know me. I'm in and out like a good boy scout, 2 pump chump trading, baby. We're in and out, just waiting. Trading is waiting, so we're looking to take advantage of price action today, right? Even last night, given the trade signals on SUI and Solana, I'm like, you know what? It's late, guys. I'm out of here, right? And these did play, but I mean, I got out here. I took the long here. I got out here, and it did come back for everybody, but then it did rip to the upside. So it did play. It did play nonetheless. But got to be careful with those late night trading adventures, okay? I mean, if you did get long on Bitcoin last night, you would have been laughing all the way to the bank. I mean, they had that rug at, let's look here. They had the rug quickly at 10 o'clock at night, right? So they pushed up, right, getting everybody bullish again. So they did that yesterday. They did it again. Then they rugged, and then they went, okay? So then they went at, these Asian pumps, man, at 10 o'clock and then gone. Asia is on fire lately. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, you know what? We're just here looking for that 100K. We'll see if we do get a good position today. Hopefully we do. We are looking down here at the 382 VWAP, okay? And we also have a golden pocket trend line bounce area too, around 95,676. Okay, so just a little patience right now. We can see a little bit of a momentum shift here, but just a lower high. Okay, after coming down here, we can see a little bit of a break of structure, right? Coming down in here, so looking for this possibly. We'll have to wait and see, but we're not gonna, jump the guns. Okay, just want to be patient here coming into market open. It's 8:45. And we can see there's a good rotation going on throughout the crypto world, okay? Ethereum, absolutely blast off, okay? Ascending triangle, beautiful blast off for Ethereum. Mad money being thrown around here. We got Arbitrum taken off. We got Optimism taken off. Look at these things. They are absolutely beautiful green dildos, okay? Flying off the wazoo, okay? Grok flying off. Brett, there's Pepe. Pepe is an Ethereum token as well. So, you go down the ladder of, what's on Ethereum, because Ethereum's ripping. You can make some nice money, okay? Coming back down in here for Bitcoin, we'll see how it behaves. Right now, we got a nice double bottom here. Nothing as of yet. No trade yet. I'm still looking down below here. We'll see if we do get there. We got 190 people in here. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I remember when I was just streaming to Jonathan Schaefer, Tony Soprano, and my mom, and now there's all you guys in here. So hopefully we can help you guys the best I can. I've been trading, for just over 2 years here, full time since last August, profitable in 8 months. Carpenter turned day trader, traveled the world, figured I'd learn a new skill, and since then haven't looked back. Okay, can build a house, but definitely can build out a chart and help you guys on your trading journey. If I can do it, you can do it, kind of deal. I mean, carpenters aren't considered the smartest people in the world. We can build. I mean, if you can frame out a roof, you're pretty talented. I'll give you that. Okay, I can frame out a roof, but some of us just pitch tents rather than framing out a roof. But it takes, anybody can do this as long as they dedicate it to themselves. And I just want to advocate for that. If you want to build a craft, you want to build freedom in your life, you want to develop a skill that you can do from anywhere in the world. Because I traveled for my first 3 years of trading. I lived in Scotland, the UK, West Midlands. Then I went to Portugal, Greece, then I went to Australia and Bali, and then back to Canada. Now we are in Canada, but I mean, in those 3 years, I was trading the whole time, which is pretty incredible. I remember doing live streams from Bali. My God, good fun. But you can do it too, right? That's the kind of thing that, this community has always been built on kindness. All I've done with this YouTube channel in the last 2 years is show up every day and try to learn and try to get better, right? We went from charting out, doing altcoins, doing TA on everything, to trading live, right? And just trying to help people. So Hopefully we can change your trading journey too. We have an amazing Discord. Black Friday sale is live right now, 25% off, $15 a month, the cheapest membership for the most amazing group there is. Okay, you got 4 traders here helping you, 3 group calls, amazing trade setups all day long. Boom, everybody is in profit, says Thesis. Congratulations, Familia, on the TIA trade. There you guys go. Okay, we gave the trade setups last night on some alts. Okay, you got all of those. There's that one. There's this one on Sui as well. Okay, and then you get, just an amazing group of people, man, just trying to help each other. And this will change December 1st. Okay, this will change. We already have too many people. I don't know how to handle it. I just wanna trade and hang out with you guys. Join us in the Discord. Would love to have you guys. Built on kindness, man. There's nothing better. You won't find a better community of like-minded people trying to help each other change their lives. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. I'm so proud that we were able to continually build this thing from the ground up for the last 2 years. That's it. You guys are real ones, man. You guys are the ones who make it, as they say, right? I can frame out a cardboard box. Let's go. Injective, it's ready. I hold a massive bag of Injective, so we'll see how that goes. Jason, good morning to you, man. How's it going? Good to see you. Buck, did your mom learn the charts? No. No, she still doesn't understand what I do for work. She's just like, you just press buy and sell, and it's like kind of better than gambling. That's kind of how she puts it. But then I show her the accounts and how they continue to go like this, and she's like, "Keep doing what you're doing, kid." My family thinks, some of them think I should get a real job again. Go back, swing a hammer, 9 to 5. I'm like, you have no idea how much fun this is, hanging out with all these amazing people on the internet who just talk a bunch of shit, who think otters are cool and make money, man. There's nothing better. No douche canoes is the way. Alexandra G knows. I can frame the frame within the frame. I love you guys, man. Jeremy Montelius. Alex is my favorite trader since I met him in Frankie's Discord. Yeah, that's pretty much where we started, in Frankie's Discord. Mad love to you, Jeremy. Mad love to you, man. That was a long time ago, man. A long time ago. Then they didn't like us throwing otters around, so we just started making our own shit, and then we were born. If you ever want to see the origin story of the otters, okay? I didn't do this, okay? I am not the one to do this. You go into the welcome here. It was in June 2022. Bear market had just crashed down to the lows of the lows. Even though it was dropping, the mafia were making juicy short trades. Yes, we were. So the forbidden water was being overused in many ways. So we were just putting the wanker kind of juicy emoji everywhere because we were just shorting. So many pure juicinesses. Okay, it was getting like out of hand, and we got warned that it was rude and derogatory. That's how bad it was. Like we were just like sploosh all over Frank's Discord. Okay, pure juiciness. Then Ronnie P, who messages me every now and then. Ronnie, he's in school right now, who's a real OG, decided that we would forbid the water and use an otter instead. The Otter gang was born. So every time we had juicy trades, we used otters, okay? This is why we spam otters, okay? The Otter gang was formed by a bunch of degens who made juicy yet questionable trades on 100x leverage. This was the way. This is how we used to trade. But also we left the forbidden water behind. Okay, up, down, all around. Smash the like buttons if you hate smash the dislike button if you hate puppies. Over the next few months, our numbers grew, and so did our profits. The mafia has adopted the otters in our degen ways. We are grateful. And that's the origin story. There we go. Story time is over. And that's why we throw otters everywhere, okay? So if you ever make a splooshy, sexy trade, don't forget to throw some otters in the chat. Let's see those otters for the Otter gang. Mad love to all of you guys. Plumbers are better. 190 intelligent people. Let's go. Let's go. Look at the otters, man. Now we're going to get the splooshes back, man. Let's go. Otter gang, man. I love you guys, man. Thank you guys for being so amazing and supporting the channel, man. My God. Just the utterly fantastic invasion. And, you know, now we got like otters everywhere, man. Otters everywhere. Adrian K, good morning. Lord Otter and gang. A lurker, silent lurker. Bitty, ballistic, cause I'm working, cause I can't watch charts. Picked a bad week to quit degen model. Degens make more money. Now we just lose it all. Thank you for being here, Adrian, and being a lurker, man. God bless, man. Thanks for supporting the channel. Hopefully we can find some more trades for you on this wild adventure of degen trading. Okay, Bitcoin trying to pop off here. This is I kind of want to go long here. Why don't we go long here for a degen trade? Are we going to do a degen trade? Let me see if I can find a degen trade for us here. Maybe we go long on BloFin on something stupid. Let's go long on something stupid. Oh, this was a call, by the way, in our Discord on Pepe. Not bad, eh? Not bad on Pepe. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pepe's popping off. Is there a trade to be had? Does anybody see some trades? Currently, Celestia up 10%. Thesis gave this trade in advance to everybody in our Discord. Pretty wild. Near popping off. Okay. Injective ready to go. Injective coming back into this kind of wedge here. Looking good. Looking good. Injective actually looking like it wants to pop. Look at this thing right here. Ready to go. Injective. Whoo-wee. Dewey. Tia. AVAX. AVAX ready to go? Oh, yeah. AVAX been dying to go. Solana. That trade. Banging. Ethereum. Whew. I'm going to have to sell some more Ethereum, baby. I got 20 more to sell. When do we sell Ethereum? Back up here? $4,000? I'd say 4,000. If we get here, let's put a bell here. Make sure that we are notified. Okay. Bitcoin coming back. Bitcoin. In the place to be. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We got 200 people in here, 95 likes. That's incredible, guys. Thank you so much for smashing them like buttons, supporting the channel, helping get this out to more people. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. My God. So if you are new here, I would really appreciate if you do subscribe. Okay, we want to get to 10,000 by January. I don't know if I don't think we're going to get there, but we would like to get to 10,000 by January. That would mean the world to me. And then if we do that, I will shave my beard. End of January, 10,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 4,234. So we got a ways to go. I just want to get to 5,000 by January. That's my personal goal. You know, but can we continue to push this channel to its brink? That would be really, really incredible. And I would greatly appreciate it. So if you do want to support the channel, you know, you could share it out or whatever you do, like the button, you know, those kind of things, whatever the YouTubers do. Okay, little rejection here, little bit of a This does look like it has strength, man. Do we take a long? Put a 1 in the chat if we're getting long on this thing. Let me know. I just don't like to break a structure down here. I don't like this low here. This low would have been okay. We would have had equal lows throughout, but this low I don't like. I do not like this. Are we getting long here, guys? Are we going to 100,000? Are we getting to 100,000? Subscriber count. Who in chat is subbed? Let's go. Let's go. Dave Digital. we could, it's an easy risk management here, but very easy risk management. However, this is more tantalizing in my opinion. Okay, there's a couple of momentums here we could track. This one we were tracking earlier as well. Coming back down into here, man, that would be perfect. A little bit of liquidity in this low here. That would be perfect, okay? We'll see. Coming up against resistance, as you can see as well. So something, I'm not necessarily just jumping willy-nilly into this trade yet, okay? Let's just be patient. We did the top-down analysis. Everything looking good. We got the trigger wave coming in here on our 15-minute VWAP crossover to the upside. If you want to get bullish, this is the one, man. This is the one right here. Money coming back in. This is nice. This normally I would trade this, but look at this. Every single trigger wave, right? Popping off. So patience will prevail in a situation like this. Very, very, very overextended. We know this, okay? We know this. We know we have a bear div right now. Okay, we all want this thing to go $100,000. That is very clear. Everybody and their brother and sister and grandfather and mother is going to know. If we hit $100,000, the world will know, right? And the FOMO will start, okay? But hey, revisiting previous highs, breaking down, coming back for this little order block within here, golden pocket, and then going, more likely, in my opinion. People are buying this, man. Buy. Okay? Now, if they're smart, they're taking profits and they're, but this is the almighty grail up here. 100,000, right? 100,000. Everybody wants it. Doesn't mean we're going to get it, okay? Doesn't mean we're going to get it. So we wait. Trading is waiting. Let's take a look at the stock world here. So we do have continuation here. We did have NVIDIA earnings. Okay, they weren't horrible. If we go back and we look at NVIDIA here, they weren't horrible. Okay, so continuing to push, right? Higher highs, higher lows, all the way through. Continuation on NVIDIA here, right? So not bad at all. Not great, but not bad. Okay, continuing to push. The SPY continues to push, very similar to NVIDIA. Guess what's holding up the SPY? AI, okay? USDT dominance rolling over here, rotation into more crypto, people going into crypto, holding more assets. I think Tony Soprano called the breakdown of this bear flag, okay? I think he called it in our Discord live, okay? He said bear flag breaking down. Pretty cool. That's why you have community, right? The dollar continues to rip to the upside. It doesn't really care what Bitcoin says. So this thing is bullish AF. But if this thing decides to roll over, that would mean people holding more risk on assets. So there's a lot of room to the downside for the dollar. Ever since we had those jobs reports, okay, we popped off, continuing to roll onwards and upwards. Pretty wild. Then we look at the NASDAQ. Same thing here. Very similar, like aggressive, flag here, but it looks like it wants to break out and continue back upwards, right? We get these stallouts here where it rolls over, stallouts, and it just continues to rip, right? And we can see that throughout the history of this thing because the stock market, all they do is print money. So everything's going to keep going up, okay, including our lovely Bitcoin. So NASDAQ looking strong as well here, pushing up. We'll see if it can continue, but we know Bitcoin's leading the way right now. Everybody's feeling the FOMO. Everybody wants to buy this thing. And, everybody feels this way now, but they didn't feel that way at 60,000, right? So it's interesting to see the psychology of the markets and how people behave, right? I think I had a quote this morning on Twitter. If we go over to Twitter, the quote this morning on my Twitter, what was it? Alex Crypto. I got to change my banner. I forgot about the banner here. It says, limit your size in any position so that fear does not become the prevailing instinct guiding your judgment. Limit your size, okay? Limit your size so that that's not what you're making your decisions on. Limit your size in any position so that fear, right, does not become the prevailing instinct guiding your judgment. Meaning, like if you are putting on too much size and you're worried, oh man, and you're taking profits here or here, you're trading too much size. You're clearly not comfortable with trading a plan and allowing your winners to run. Okay? Or you're trading with too little size and you don't give a shit about losing. And that's not trading, man. That's not trading. You want to have just enough so that you care. Make sure you care. Every dollar counts, man. Every dollar counts. So maybe you're oversized. Maybe you're undersized, or maybe you just don't care enough about compounding your account. You go and look, compounding. Look at the compounding chart, guys. If you need inspiration, go and Google compounding $100 account. And we could do it here. We could do it here if you want, but I trade size in the morning. So, you know, I'm trying to put 5-6 Bitcoin on these trades, right? But you can see how well these work. If you pull up a compounding chart, let me see here. Where's the compounding chart? And you start to compound over the next year, you guys are going to be flabbergasted on how well this works, okay? It's crazy, but it requires discipline, right? And you can turn $100 into thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? You get the snowball effect, rolling and rolling and rolling. I can't find a good chart, but go and find a compounding chart. Go and inspire yourself, you know, and take this seriously. If you want to make this a lifestyle, if you want to make this a job, it's going to take time. It's going to take effort. Nothing is going to be handed to you. You do get a lot of, I mean, in the Discord, you are spoon-fed. I mean, absolutely spoon-fed. If you cannot make $15 off of Kyle saying, hey, man, go long here on DOT. Okay, Kyle on the weekend said, hey, press buy here. Okay, Kyle said press buy here. If you put a $1 on this trade at 5x leverage, okay, this thing went up 15% with zero. You didn't even have to think. Zero drawdown. Zero. Look at this thing. All the way up to target. 15%. Spoon fed. That you could live off that one a month, man. It's crazy. There's more and more and more to be found, but I mean that DOT trade was incredible. Kyle is an incredible trader in our Discord. If we go over to our 1 hour, I think the trade is still up here. Look at this thing, man. Incredible. Look at this. 18% with zero drawdown. Zero. Just up only. Okay? Nothing in here. That's incredible. That's incredible. I don't even have to say join the Discord. Join the Discord. The last time it's going to be under... It's the last time it's ever going to be $15. I tell you that much. Crazy. Crazy discount. Black Friday sale. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Bitcoin. Trading is waiting, man. Trading is waiting. Man, you guys making me take up an extra 50 minutes of talking today, man. My jaw's going to fall off. Oh, my God. Look who it is. Look who it is. Mrs. Put the cookie down. Let's go. Let's go. Miss Teen Crypto. God bless you. Thank you so much for being here. Everybody, go and check out Miss Teen Crypto. Make sure you guys are supporting fellow creators in here. Mad love to you, Miss Teen Crypto. I appreciate you. How you doing? How you settling into your new place? I hope everything is all right. Baby Otter sends his love. He's growing so fast. He's starting to try and talk. It's incredible. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and thank you for being part of our gang. We love you too. And God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well, and you're always welcome in the gang. We're always happy to have you. And you know what? You said you're on the news I mean, this girl goes and educates these Wall Street dummies, okay? Randy is incredible. Oh man. Go and check out Miss Teen Crypto. Support a fellow crypto influencer. But look at this, man. Going on Wall Street, telling these old crusty bastards how to buy the only scarce, immutable, sexy Bitcoin there is. I mean, go and check it out. Go and support Randy Hipper. She's almost at 20K. Let's get her to 20K. Continue to support fellow YouTubers. Amazing, amazing job all the time. Passionate about what she does, and that's what's important, right? And she protects the new traders, the new people coming into the space, right? And she educates the youth. So much power in that. So thank you so much. Put that cookie down. We appreciate you, Randy. Thank you for being here. I always try to drop in and say hello or throw some otters in the chat when I see your stream up. And how about we redirect the otters to you today? Okay, let's do that. So we go over here. I don't know if I should be sharing this, but I don't give a shit. I'll go over here, customization, redirect, and then we go over here and look at Tino. I think it should work. There we go. And send over the gang, and we'll go and spam your chat or something like that. I don't know. I'm not good at this YouTube thing. I just press buy and sell, Randy. I just try to help people press buy and sell. We're looking to buy actually right now. We'll see how it goes. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Thank you for supporting Randy and fellow YouTubers and supporting me. We got 210 people in here, an amazing group of traders trying to solve these complex markets. You know, it's not always easy, but we will make it fun, and we will try to make it as stress-free as possible. Some liquidity down at these lows here. Everybody's trying to buy this up right now. It's not a place to be buying, in my opinion. We want, come back for some liquidity. Show us some volatility into these key levels that we are looking to take advantage of, okay? Mad love to you, Randy. Jeffrey Stone Cypher. All the cookies in the chat. Mad love to you guys. Otter gang. I love how much you guys are kind and supporting of other people and of this channel too. It's incredible. Hopefully we can find a good trade this morning. Everybody wants to get long. Everything is rotating into Ethereum. You can see Ethereum starting to rip now again. Here we go. 370 Ethereum on the rise. Will it continue? This is incredible. What a beautiful rotation. Dominance coming out, right? Dominance dropping like it's hot. Here's another one. If you invert this chart, I bet you it looks a lot like Ethereum right now. You hit Alt-I, right? What is Ethereum doing right now? Right? You see what I mean? Look at this thing. Looking a lot like ETH. Man, I want a long Bitcoin right now. Beautiful little flag here. Ooh-wee. No trade yet. Let's be patient. Gang. Please be patient. Ethereum continuing to rip here. I'm going to have to put some Ethereum onto an exchange and sell that shit. Ooh-wee. I'm excited, man. What a time to be in crypto. What a time to be with you guys. Thank you so much for being here. 210 people in here, man. Holy smokes. Thank you. Will we get to 100K today? I will do a giveaway if we get to 100K today. It may not happen. Market opens in 20 minutes. Thank you guys so much for being here. We'll see if we do come back down to these key levels. Bitcoin on an absolute tear last night, ripping up 4% overnight while we slept. Of course, some of you guys were awake for this. I know you guys, all you guys staying up super late. All you have to do is press long on Asia, and you make some good money. Look at this rolling over, coming into our retest zone, okay? Coming into a retest zone. We'll see if it does want to. Nothing as of yet. I'm running out of coffee. I'm gonna have to get a jug. My God. You guys sleep? Says Massey. Let's go. Long alts, total 3 is a legit breakout. Let's go. Let's go. LBC keeps us up super late. That's the one with his late night crypto show. My God, we are seeing a rotation into altcoins as we speak. Ooh, we look at this. Look at this. Incredible, incredible, incredible. What a time to be in crypto. I can smell the FOMO through my mic. You guys are very hungry for some continuation here on the altcoins. What goes up? Right? What goes up? What is this on Ethereum right now? Anyways, I'm not trying to spread FUD. This looks toppy to me. If you're asking me, would you long here? Absolutely not. The longs were last night. We gave a couple of them in our Discord. My God, Thesis is crushing it, man. Thesis is crushing it. Look at this. Beautiful Tia trade. My God. Beautiful, 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 man. Good job, bro. I love seeing you guys win. People want to chat with me. Can you discuss your experience with the top of the bull market in the previous cycles? Did you have any problems trying to cash out, liquidity problems, or exchanges? That is something I am not able to answer because I was born in the bear, man, but I will try my best to get people to share their experience on this. I will have to answer you later, but I did not. This is my first ever bull run, right? First ever bull run. So you might want to unsubscribe and run away. You know what? I've put in a lot of research and a lot, nothing beats experience, and I understand that. But we have people who've been through the bull runs, lots of people, and for me, I know how to trade an uptrend. So that's all that really matters. And then cashing out, I mean, taking profits early, setting key levels, setting alarms, having a plan, executing the plan. That's what it's all about. I want to long this so bad. Ooh, I want to long this. So you always got to be honest with, especially with people, right? Like that's one thing you'll always get from me is I'll never bullshit you with my experience and what I've done and how I'm trading. And I think there's so many people out there just render $200, man, or whatever. Chainlink $850, right? Like just complete horse shit, right? And it's like open mouth thumbnail, make you feel bad. They're rugging you, they're selling on you, and it's like, come on, man. Like we're here to try and profit. Can't be doing that, man. That's just not the way. That's not the way. That's not how you build trust. That's not how you build, a community. It's a shame, right? Because the crypto industry, this is a great opportunity for people, but if you're following people who are just, absolute douche canoes, how you gonna get better, right? They don't care about your well-being. They don't give a shit. You're a number to them. You're someone who's buying their whatever ICP chicken token. It's garbage, man. It's garbage. The only thing they're good for is bringing new people on to find better creators, right? Like I found crypto through a scam video. That's Michael Saylor, Jack Dorsey, and Elon Musk scam video saying you could get 1,000 billion Bitcoin if you just give us your credit card number. That's how I found crypto, man. I mean, so, as long as you're not a moron, scam videos are actually good for, promoting crypto, but you got to get in and then you got to do your own research. Some people aren't, smart or, less smart and they fall for that shit, or they're just naive to the fact that they think, if it's too good to be true, it's probably not going to be true, right? Just like all these people sending you friend requests on Discord, that I will never send you a friend request on Discord, okay? Unless it's like a personal conversation in the Discord, in my Discord. I'm not sending you a friend request. I'm sorry, bro. Those kind of things. But adoption is coming. We'll see. But stay away from those scam jams, okay? They're no fun. Richard M., welcome, man. Thank you so much for joining the membership here. membership just gives you some ways of supporting the channel and helping the channel grow. And you get to spam otters in the chat, which is always fun. Join the gang, Frame Fit for Life Crypto. This is my third bull run. Absolutely. See? So there are people here who will help you, right? That's the power of community, right? Thinking about selling all my ETH at previous all-time high. I am on that venture right now as we speak. I sold 20 ETH here. Okay, you guys will know what I did. I bought ETH way low though. Okay, so let's be honest. Okay, so I bought ETH. I bought ETH over here. This was my ETH buy in here. Okay. And I sold here. I did it. For tax purposes, you see this vertical line? This is the end of the year. I want to realize over $60,000 for tax purposes. So I realized 20 Ethereum here. I got another 20 left. Okay. If this thing comes up to in here, I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell some more. What's wrong with taking some profits? Because we know the tax year next year. This is going to be fun, isn't it? Paying taxes 2025, okay? So make sure you guys have a plan. The plan is the way to go, okay? Have a plan, execute the plan. Yes, I did not sell Ethereum in March. I thought we could go much higher, okay? I thought we could go much higher. Uh-oh, it's saying we're lagging now. Uh-oh. We're lagging. We're lagging. Here we go. It has started. We're giving too much information. Too much information. We're lagging now. It'll come back. It'll come back. This is typical of the stream. Bad decision. ETH is going to 10K. Kick drum, man. You're always got something mean to say, man. I appreciate you. I'm going to pin your message. Thank you, man. Thank you. You're definitely built on kindness, man. Thank you for being here, Kick Drum. Oh, man. Bad decision. Well, I can show you the receipts of me rotating that $130,000 into Arbitrum. How was that for a decision? I think we did okay. I think we did all right. ETH's up 9%. What's Arbitrum up today, guys? Anyways, we don't have to go there, man. I hope you're doing well, Kick Drum. Continuation. Looking like it wants to break out here. Can it go? Can it go? Anchor trigger wave pushing on up, breaking out through this momentum here. Can it push? Can it push? Let's see if it does continue. Okay, it's back to excellent. Stream is healthy. Shout out to the mean guys. He's not being mean. It's just his opinion, and that's okay. We did pin it though. I like pinning good comments, man. We're waiting for these seamen guys to show up to the stream. No semen. Supposedly we're going to get spammed by these guys saying semen. March hurt. Absolutely. I keep getting those scam friend requests. Is there anywhere we can send them to try and make our ICT chicken token? Absolutely. Absolutely. ICT chicken token. I don't know where that just came off the top, man. Maybe that's Crypto Pollo's next venture, man. Next venture. Spread love, not war. Randy Hipper knows. Your TA is absolute genius, man. Mad love. I'm buying your Discord subscription today. Much respect. Thank you, Junaid Perwez. Welcome, man. I appreciate the support, man. Tony Soprano says it's not mean, but sounds like a douche, and you don't want to upset Tony. Tony, what is the trick with the Discord to... You can set your settings on Discord. Maybe Tony can share that in the Otter chat to set it so that you can't get messages as much. I'm not sure the setting. Tony knows how to change that setting on your Discord so you don't get like friend requests from weirdos. I mean, it's gonna happen, but you can limit it. I believe Tony has a way of doing that. I switched some sort of setting in my Discord settings that allows you not to get messages from douche canoes. Okay. One lifetime membership. Also, when moon. So no lifetime memberships yet, just yearly ones. But if you do get the subscription now, going into December 1st, you will be at that price level for life. Okay. Never, ever will it be $15 a month ever again. I promise you that. Okay. Prices are changing. But if you get in at that level, you will never, ever, the reoccurring membership will never be above $15. And that's what I promise to everybody. Okay. So that is what I can promise. And also, like, what if we make billions of dollars this year and, we want to retire? I don't want people paying for a membership still, or they paid like an extortionate amount and they expect me to show up every day, right? So it's hard to give someone a commitment that way. A year is a lot already, right? A year in the space is a long time, right? As we know. So what if we want to retire and just enjoy our Bitcoin profits for the rest of our lives and our family? We are here for freedom. We are here to create more time for our families, more time with, the things that we care about. And, there has to be some sort of plan, exit plan, whatever it is, right? You got your set dollar amount. Of course, you're always going to want more, and what you want to retire off of, and all those things in your plans and all those. But you gotta. I'm committed, right? I'm committed, and I want to help people change their lives the way I have. So that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. The lifetime of the channel, close to the channel, and boom, lifetime is dead. That's the one, right? You don't want to. Well, that's the last thing I'll do is rug someone. Good morning, Jeanette. Did you change your profile picture, Jeanette? It looks good from, like, if I zoomed in. Welcome, Jeanette. Jeanette's an OG as well. Mad love to you, Jeanette. China did legalize crypto. Yes, they made it as if it is to own property. If I make $1 billion, I'll retire and buy a second membership just for fun. Let's go, Michael. Good morning from Germany. Danke. Welcome. Welcome, Germany. We like you, Germans. Yeah. That's as German as I can go. Sorry about that. It's probably very, very rude. And I apologize. Okay, so not buying the tops, right? Not buying the tops. Market open in 7 minutes. We'll see if we do get the swing into our buy zones. Okay, we got two areas that we're interested in. We want to see that reaction of price. That's what I always talk about, is watching price action, getting that reaction, looking to trade that thing, okay? Spit on that thing, whatever you want to do. But we mark out the area and where we're interested in, and then we want to execute. And that's the name of the game. That's the name of the game, in my opinion, is if you know how to read charts and read price action and volume. Okay, you can see the volume came in here, a little spike down, trying to push price down, getting bought up a little bit right now. But look at this, trying to hunt. So there's strength in the tops here, right? There's strength here. There's strength here, pushing price down. Okay, we can see that breaking structure here coming down into this area. We'll see if we can make a higher low. Breakout, retest, continue. Then we look for a long here. Okay, or we roll over into market open. We get a beautiful bull divs into here, and we break out to the upside that way. Okay, if we hit 100K by 10 a.m. this morning, we're going to do a giveaway. That's just the way it is. Maybe we go later. Maybe we go 10:30 today. We got 250 people here in the live chat. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Mad love to every single one of you guys. We are well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. And if we get to 10,000 by the end of January, we will shave our beard. I don't know why I've agreed to this shit, man. Oh, man, haven't shaved my beard in 6 years? Holy shit. Oh, man. Crypto Face playing the German last night. My hope for forever wealth is just for my wife and kids. I'm a simple man. Even if you gave $1 million, I just have a nice van with a better aircon. Let's go, John Woods. That's it, man. For me, I just want to play golf hang out with the friends, my family, and loved ones. And yeah, I mean, my wife and my son already have everything I got. So, I mean, so they can do with it as they please. They don't want for much either. Well, my son's 3 months old, so we don't know what he wants yet. We'll see. But my wife is a very kind and simple lady, right? She's not one of those take your money and I'm in need, you know. So we'll see. Okay, a little pushback coming in here. How's the Dixie looking? Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Okay, checking out the NASDAQ quickly. NASDAQ ripping. Okay, NASDAQ's looking strong. Breaking structure to the upside. A nice move for the NASDAQ this morning. Coming into the S&P, we'll see how that opens up. We want to see this thing gap up. Okay, we got a gap in here. Let's see if it gaps up. We're trying to get above these highs here today on the S&P. We can see a lot of other things are moving. So we'll see how this opens up. We got 4 minutes till market opens. We're getting a little bit of a tease here on Bitcoin. Nothing to trade yet, okay? There's nothing here that says buy or sell. Nothing at all. We're just waiting. We got a little bit of an anchored trigger wave coming in here on Market Cipher. Money is still coming out, okay, on this 3 minute time frame. We do have some nice signs here on our 24 minute. We do have a bearish divergence, okay, that can play out. And typically with divergences, you're looking to retest back to the previous peak. So if this is your previous peak, right, you're looking to come back possibly down into this area, retesting these highs and then going, okay? So a lot of people will be selling their Bitcoin at 98,000. Don't get it twisted. Okay, not many people are like, oh yeah, 98,000 Bitcoin sounds like a deal. Okay, not many people are saying that. The only people who are buying here are feeling the FOMO. Okay, we can see that dominance is dropping quite drastically. Ethereum ripping right now. Okay, coming back up to about $3,400, looking good. But nonetheless, we remain patient. Okay, this to me all in here looks like FOMO. It just looks like people buying the top. Very choppy price action. Nothing to really to go home and write a song about. You know, it's just very choppy. We had that push up here, volume surging at the top. Look at the volume surge up here. Okay, we can see the volume surge up here, pushing price down, right? So now, volume starting to ramp up, coming into market open. We'll see how this does open. But we have our traps. We're ready to trade. We wait, and we wait for price action to tell us otherwise. Whatever we want to do, just put it aside. We want to remain disciplined, patient, and let the price come to us. If we're not doing that, we're not trading, right? Probabilities, we want to have probabilities in our favor. I'd say getting long right now, you're adding 5% to your probabilities, okay? Because we are in such an aggressive uptrend, that's why we're looking for longs. I'm not looking for shorts just yet. This would have been our short this morning. You got to have some real big cojones to get short up at the top here and then hold this all the way down, okay? This thing wants to rip. We'll see if it does. But nonetheless, we have our trap set and we're ready to trade, okay? Looking for a trigger wave on a 24. That would be nice. We can see the hourly as well has been very good to us. So looking for a little bit of a reset here. VWAP coming back up to the zero line. That would be nice, but not necessarily what's going to happen. We see the beautiful move last night. You know, not really giving people an opportunity to get long in here. Very choppy in here, right? So you can see this is a lot of buying pressure, and the market's really just trying to not let people hold trades long enough to get into these big lucrative moves, okay? So if you didn't get long down in here, don't worry about it. We'll find more. There's going to be more trades. There's going to be more opportunities. We'll continue to search for them. If you want to take that a little bit further, join us in the Discord. If not, just come and hang out. We do have a Black Friday sale, 25% discount on our membership. $15 a month, man. Absolute steal. Absolute steal. So come over and hang out with us there. We'd love to have you. There we go. Tony with the Discord setup. Thank you so much, Tony, for setting that up. Yeah, you filter from non-friends. Yeah, filter from non-friends. You want your friends. That's very good. Okay. Good morning, everyone. New member here. Looking forward to not bleeding too much through my first crypto bull market. Loser face. You're not a loser. We got Kyle, Ethereum trade update. Kyle gave the long on Ethereum from $2,400. Okay, $2,400. So he's just updating you on that trade there. Come over and hang out, family chat, all that good stuff. Okay, lots of good stuff in here. And make sure you guys, if you are, not wanting to do that, but you want some free stuff, we got all these free books, the library here. We got Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, Mastering Trading Psychology, Mental Game of Trading, all free PDFs here in our resources. And then there's tons of, videos and stuff like that to help you guys with trading, and resources as well to help you all with trading. So there's lots of good information here, more consolidated information, so you can, find what you're looking for and find some good information, because a lot of it out there is absolute bollocks and no good. So try to keep it separated. Okay, rolling over here this morning, market is open. The S&P gapping up, okay? Could come back down to fill this gap in here. Okay, we do have the gap here, so we could come back only to bounce. Let's see if that does happen. Market is open. NASDAQ continuing to rip. Let's see it making an all-time high. I would expect a retrace and then a continuation on the NASDAQ. As you can see, you are on this kind of up-stepping momentum here. The SPY gapping up. Okay, so we expected the gap up. Now we want to see either a pushback and then a bounce, but this thing does look like it wants to rip. Okay, very nice bounce here for the S&P. Bitcoin coming over, trying to make a double bottom. We are still looking down here. No trade as of yet this morning. A little bit of a pushback here coming in on Bitcoin. Okay, we see some volume coming in on this hammer candle. Nothing yet. I see strength though. This looks like strength to me. Might want to consider a buy here. I'm still waiting. No trade as of yet. Okay, we do, this isn't much of a move down. 0.5%, very easily done with Bitcoin right now. I see strength in this candle, though. Might want to take a little stab here. Just waiting. I really want to see that 100,000 today, guys. I really want to see it. Okay. I'm still waiting. Okay, pushing back. The first 10 minutes of market open are always sketchy, guys. The first 10 minutes are always sketchy. So you want to have direction correct. You don't, right now, break the structure down. I'm looking for a lower low right now. Right, you broke these lows here, right? Failing to continue. So let's see if it does roll over here and get a nice bounce. VWAP's just below us here. VWAP's been really good to us on the Bitcoin price action recently. Thank you, everybody, for smashing those like buttons, subscribing if you are new. I appreciate you guys. Looking at this price action right now, double bottom, intact. No trade yet, right? We want to see strength. No strength as of yet. This does look like it wants to roll over. Okay, coming down into VWAP, 96,764. 96,764. Trying to hold that 97,000 level. Doesn't look like it's gonna. This looks like continuation. We got a very bearish candle coming in here, pushing price down. Okay. This is making an anchor wave down below. So if we're making an anchor wave down below, right, we have a double bottom in here. We have a low. We have a lower low. Okay. Bounce. Do we get a bounce? 7. Okay, do we get a bounce? This would be the bullish divergence we're looking for. If we bounce from here, are we going to bounce? Full divs, lower low, higher low. Nothing yet. Still pushing. Come on, Bitcoin. Do something, baby. 1 minute time frame. Still doesn't look good. Barely a lower low. Big volume coming in here. Look at the volume coming in on this candle. What a battle. That was a very, very big battle on that candle. Looks like the bears won that battle. Coming back down below. VWAP's right here. 790. 790. Can it bounce from there? Everybody wanting to get long here. Let's see. Liquidity grab down below. I'm looking 742. 742 for a long. Somewhere down in here. 742. I want to see a sweep and a bounce. Give me a sweep and a bounce. Come on, Bitcoin. Sweep and a bounce. You got a sweep and a bounce. 742. Here's a sweep. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more, you got it. This is at 96,777. I want to see lower. Nothing as of yet. Okay, trying to push even more. Coming back for these longs over here on the left. Nothing yet. No trade yet. Coming into VWAP. Coming into VWAP. Okay, I'm going lower. I'm looking at 570 now. 570. Looking lower, 570. 570 would give me a sweep of these lows. Sweep of these lows. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Push. Nothing off of VWAP yet. We're getting nice bull divs in here. I'm going over to the 3-minute here. Okay, this is strong. Look at the strength in this move. Coming down. Big volume candles. Okay, printing. More. Continuation. Continuation and strength. Continuation and strength. I'm looking for a sweep of these lows in here. Coming through, bouncing out of VWAP. Will we get it? I want to see that surge in volume. Surge. Sergeant Surge from Pokemon with the Electabuzz or whatever the hell it was. 90s kids. 90 kids problem. Had it come and bounce from here. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. No surge. Just waiting. Still waiting. Stalling out. People are longing this. When it stalls, people are longing this. It's going to snap on them. Knock them out really quickly. It will snap on them. It's stalling. Okay, not the German general or whatever his name is, Stalin. Okay, I'm looking lower. I'm thinking 450 now. Thinking a little bit lower than that even. 450. Unless I see strength come in here. No strength as of yet. Still waiting. Trading is waiting, my friends. What's the S&P doing? Coming back down, filling that gap. That's what we wanted to see. Now we want to see the bounce on the S&P. We want to see the bounce on the S&P. 5912. We want to see it come back up. Okay. You can watch the ticker up top here. 5912. It's still going down. We got the NASDAQ here pushing up. Kind of stalling out here on the NASDAQ. Kind of lackluster in my opinion. Okay. Lackluster. Got Bitcoin here. Still bouncing off VWAP. Okay, there's some volume coming in. Trying to push back. No push. People, you're not buying $96,000 Bitcoin. Okay? Coming back down here. 96.4. Still looking 96.4. Bouncing off 382 right now. Aggressive downtrend here. Let's check our 5-minute. 5-minute bounce, bull divs here, higher high, higher low. It's trying to hold this low here. That's what it's trying to do. It's trying to hold this low in here in VWAP. You can see it's trying to do so. It's trying to hold this low in here. If we go into a higher term time frame, 15-minute, curving down VWAP rejection here. This is not looking good. Okay? Still looking lower. I'm looking around 400. Okay, looking around 400 now. This is an aggressive little sweep of the lows. Our major level I would look for is 90, 95, 650. Okay, but we want to see this push up into 100K. Everybody's bullish right now. We need to be patient here. If you guys took the short, congratulations. You got cojones of steel. Okay, coming into VWAP right now. Let's see if we do get the bounce. We got volume battle right here for this low, right? Trying to fight for this low. Sweep of the low, bounce out. Let's see. Reclaim VWAP, okay? Sweep of the low, right? Pushing through here. Bouncing up, reclaiming VWAP, and continuing out would be ideal. Okay, here comes the sweep. Here comes the sweep. Let's see how far it sweeps. I'm looking around 373. 373. Come on, Bitcoin, push. A little bit more. little bit more, you got it. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Push more. Push more and bounce. Push more and bounce. Push a bit more. 335. 335. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Still waiting. We've taken that low. We have taken that low. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. I might miss this one if we don't push a little bit lower. Some of you all are longing. Be careful with the longs right now. Okay, coming back, reclaiming VWAP. That's what we want to see. We want to see it reclaim VWAP. We're going to hold VWAP. It's holding VWAP. Okay. Looking to fire off a long now. Patience. Going to come back down to VWAP. Coming back down to VWAP. Okay, it's held VWAP. Pushing back. Come back down to VWAP. Come back down to VWAP, baby. $800. Looking at 800. Looking at 800. Will it come back? Sheesh. Get a little snap here. 0.5%. Come back to 800. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Mad love to all of you guys. Peanut short plane. Let's go. 95K. Let's go. All right, coming back now. That was the snapback. Might fire off a little long here. Coming in. Coming in, firing off a long. Firing off a long. Stop loss just below the low here. Stop loss 350. Firing off a long. Let's see if it goes. Push, Bitcoin. Push, you namby pamby. Let's see it, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. 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 Come on, Bitcoin. Push back up. Retest these highs. First take profit, 97.2. Let's call it 97.190. 97.190. Push, Bitcoin. A little bit more. Push, baby. Take it. Take it, you. Take it, you weakling. Okay, first take profit hit. First take profit hit. GG's, OG's, GG's, OG's. GG's, OG's, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Continue to push. Continue to push. Let's go. We want that 100K. First take profit hit. Reclaim of the VWAP. Let's go, guys. Nice trade so far. Nice trade so far. We'll see if we do push out and break out of this area here. Nice trade so far. Congratulations. Stop loss to 540. Stop loss to 540. Basically a free trade now. Stop loss to 540. Push Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Otter gang, gang, gang. Shout it to you guys. Shout it to the Otter gang. We in it to win it, baby. Let's go. Stop loss to adjusted to the bottom here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Shout out to you guys, man. Shout out to got into long. Push, Bitcoin. Push. Push, 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 push. Next take profit. I'm looking at these highs here at 97, just under 750. So I'm going to go 650. Yeah, 650 next take profit just underneath these highs here. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Push, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Shout out to you guys, man. Shout out to you guys. Keep up those like buttons if you guys are enjoying the content. Trading live every morning, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, baby. That's it, man. Bitcoin 100K, end of the day. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Otter gang, 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 gang. Mad love, man. Mad love. This is good fun. I'm really enjoying these live streams with you guys. Talking to you guys through my thought pattern. Hopefully, it's helping you guys with your trading. Woo-wee. Good fun, man. Really good fun. It's always an honor and a privilege to come on here and hang out with you guys. Shout out to those who took the trade. GG's on your trade. Hopefully you guys are paying yourselves. This is a very volatile market. Okay? Very volatile market. Looking for this thing to rip to $100,000 by 10 a.m. We'll see if we get a VWAP doing its thing this morning, man. Doing its thing, baby. 382 area. Right? You wait for the reaction of price, man. You got to wait for that reaction. You see it enough times, it becomes easy. It becomes easy. I promise you that. I promise you that. You can read it. You can see it. To see it is to believe it. Ooh, we Bitcoin on an absolute tear. Let's go, Bitcoin. All the way up to 97,650 is our next take profit. Let's lower it a little bit. Let's go to 591. We'll see if we get up to 591 for our next take profit. Just at these highs here, okay? Just before these highs here, 591. Looking here to see if we hit our next take profit. Come on, Bitcoin, push it. Push it to the limit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Break out. Break out and go. Break out and go, man. Good fun, man. Good fun. Thank you, everybody. Smashing those like buttons. If you're finding value, subscribe. Please subscribe and hang out with us. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. We crushing it, man. We crush. Too much fun. Too much fun, man. We're having too much fun in this place. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Mad love to every single one of you. GG, Fat Finger took full profit on the first TP. That's all right, man. That's all right. I mean, you're taking profits, bro. That's it. That's it, man. Best mod in the business, Alexandra G. The best there ever was and ever will be, Alexandra G. All right. Incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it. 100K is the way. You guys are incredible, man. You guys are incredible. Woo-wee. Lock in those profits. Lock in those profits. We in the long, baby. Long, long time. A long, long time ago, I do remember. Had a dance. Let's go. Let's go. We got so much to do, so much to see. We are growers and showers. There, take profit hit. Next take profit has hit. Congratulations on your gains, everybody. The next take profit has hit. Okay, there we go. Stop loss, 2 entry. Locking in profits, baby. Locking in profits. Congratulations on everybody on your gains this morning. If you are enjoying the content, please come over and hang out. Amazing group of people, man. I love it. I love this, man. You guys are crazy. I don't know why you're here, but I'm here for you guys, man. Boom, boom. Now we just sing pump songs, baby. Boom, 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 boom. When the night boom 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 and the lamps gone boom boom and boom boom boom, it's only like we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't. Let's go, man. Who needs music when you got Otter gang, gang, gang. Pew, pew, pew. All right, trading is waiting. Retest back down into this area here. We are in the long. You guys know it. Just chilling, man. Just chilling. 500 a day, keeping the doctor away. Let's go, let's go, let's go, man. You could be looking for the retest back into here. Okay, a little bit more risky. A little bit more risky. Looking for the retest continuation. Breaking out of this, sweeping the lows, bouncing off of VWAP, double bottom. It's all there, man. It's all there. It's just when to get in, right? You're not buying off this thing. You're waiting. Bang. Let's go. Rocket ship to the absolute moon, man. Here, we'll do a Kyle. Right now, we'll rotate this. Come on, baby. I can hear it. Can you hear it? 100K. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? 100K Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We are long and strong. Get the friction on. Baby got back. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We are long off the VWAP this morning. Too easy, man. Too easy, lemon squeezy. Shout out to you guys for taking the trade. GG's to all the Otter gang. If you are new here, we got a Black Friday sale until December 1st. 25% off the Discord. It will be the only time you're ever able to get $15 a month on the Discord ever again. Okay? Ever. Forever. Okay? Forever never seems that long until you're grown. Okay? So if you do want to come over and hang out in the Discord, come over. Come over and hang out. Nice little 1% a day, keeping the doctor away, as we always say, man. 1% a day keeps the doctor away, keeps those bags full, keeps a smile on our face. Easy risk management. So looking for a new long, retest back down to this trend line in here. Okay, so if we're looking for a new long, okay, because we already are on long dong schlonging, we're looking for a retest continuation here, right? So our stop loss is right here. If we get stopped out, whoop-de-doo, we've taken 75% out of this trade already. It's all house money now, right? It's all house money. Okay, so even if this comes back in rugs, we've still made our money. And if we're looking for the retest, it's here, holding this low in here. But right now, very choppy. It's gonna grab liquidity, right? We wanna be patient. But really, this would be the area right here. You're looking, right? Maybe not a big position size so you can protect yourself, right? And you're targeting, obviously, that $100,000, man. But right now, no trade. No trade right now. If anything, you want to see a trigger wave come in here. So this is a 3-minute. You want to see this consolidate, right? You want to see anchored trigger wave, and that's where you want to get long. So requires some patience, which is not always easy, right? You get these opportunities where you get a double bottom, right? But right now the oscillator says, hey man, we probably want to come down before we go up, right? Down before up. That's just price action, right? Stop loss is right at 942. We might get stopped out here, which is fine. 942 is our stop. Well, that's quite low, 942 right here. We might get stopped out, which is cool. We're gonna head out anyways, man, because we've made our money today. Hopefully, you guys have paid yourselves on the long trade setup this morning. It's been fun. We're gonna send you over to Randy Hipper after this. If you are part of our Discord, we do have a live stream here. For all you people, here we go. If you do want to come over and get a free little exclusive live stream from Brewberry, here's the link. Okay, just saying, if you want to come over and hang out with the one of our alpha super duper traders, Brewberry himself, that's the link. That's the link. Nonetheless, that's enough out of me today, guys. We've absolutely crushed it. I have a busy day ahead of me, a bunch of meetings and shit like that. So, all the fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for being here. It's been a fun time. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. Have a safe trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.